Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use the screen sampler function on Logitech G316 keyboard. So in order to use it, we're gonna have to make sure that our keyboard is connected to our computer, and on our PC we're gonna have to launch the G Hub application. Now once you are here, select your keyboard, and in the LightSync menu you're gonna have to select the screen sampler feature. So select screen sampler right here, and after that you're gonna have to click right here, this pencil, and readjust the positions on your screen from which you want your keyboard to read the colors. So like this. So as you can see, we have a left square, mid left square, middle square, mid right square, right square, and all of them will be reading the respective parts, reading the parts of the screen to light the respective parts of our keyboard. And after you have positioned them the way you like it, all you have to do is just go to advanced settings and add some color boost. Basically, the more the better. We can also enable the smoothing, and by adding the color boost we will actually make this effect look nice. So now if we just play this video right here on a full screen, it will actually create a nice effect on our keyboard, and it will make these colors rapidly change and everything, and basically everything that we have on our screen will be sampled onto our keyboard. So the main thing to correctly enable this feature on your keyboard is to basically simply enable this color boost that we have right here. If you don't apply this color boost, if you leave it at 30%, it will result in your keyboard not functioning at all, or just having some delays. And I'm not sure why it's like that, but if you were looking for a solution, here you have it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.